This is the Teracube 2E. We're going to unbox it straight ahead. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from Techaeris.com, and I am recording this on my iPhone today instead of using my nice Sony a7 III, just because I want to get this unboxing video done really quick and edited and out the door as quickly as I can. Got a lot of things going on, and I saw this come in today, and I want to do a quick unboxing and have you guys have a look. So let's get right into it. All right, welcome back, guys. We are going to take a look at the Teracube 2E. This is an Android 10 Android phone with the Google Play Store. Has a MediaTek Helio A25 octa-core processor that runs at 1.8 gigahertz and 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of storage. And we'll go on to a few more specs in just a minute. But Teracube bills itself as a reusable and environmentally friendly company, and that's the point of this whole phone. And so the packaging is super minimal, and it's made out of recyclable materials. And it says on the bottom, on the side, thank you for making a difference. And that's about all you get there. There's the phone right inside. We'll get to that in just a second, and we'll see here it says, where is the charger? What you have in your hand is the world's most minimalistic and eco-friendly smartphone packaging, made with 50% less materials, recycled paper, soy inks, while eliminating redundant accessories like the charger. The shipping volume and weight are reduced by 35%, allowing for a smaller carbon footprint. If you need a charger, you can buy one on their website, or I think most of us have chargers already laying around. Deeper inside, you have some silica gel, and let's get started. That over here. Better for your pocket and better for the planet. And kind of goes over their creed there. And that shows you how to get started here. You can open the back cover of the phone. This does have a replaceable, reusable battery that you can take out, and you can actually buy an extra battery if you need an extra battery. I haven't seen a phone like that in a very long time. It is dual SIM. And of course, they want you to make sure you close the back cover properly. Power on and follow on-screen instructions. So, and on the back, just some more how to replace the battery, how to insert a micro SD card, and etc. etc. So, we'll get that to the side. Phone itself, about the same size. This is a Galaxy FE20, and this has a case on it. So you're looking at, this is a case made out of recycled materials. It's nice that they include a case with it. I don't know if there's a screen protector in there. I know there's this is just their logo here. This will peel off in just a second. Let's take it out of the case and see what that looks like. We'll power it on while we do this here. Oh, there you go. So the case is the actual back as well. So it's an all-in-one thing here. And there's your battery, and your dual SIMs, and your camera module right there, and your fingerprint sensor. So pretty simple stuff. And we'll link to their website below so you can get more information. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing here and get things rolling. We'll peel this off, and it looks like there is a screen protector on there. It looks like it's off center, but it's on there. Let's power this up. So powered by Android, of course. Comes with a Google Play Store. Let's go over a few more specs on this. 6.1 inch HD display, so it's a 720 by 1560. The camera on the rear is 13 megapixel and an 8 megapixel wide angle. The front camera is an 8 megapixel. 4,000 milliamp hour battery, which is replaceable. It has the pin pattern, fingerprint, face unlock. Wi-Fi connectivity is all modern, AB, GN, AC, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and supports Google Pay, headphone jack, USB-C port, dual SIM. It weighs about 190 grams, and dimensions are 155.2 millimeter by 73.3 millimeter by 10.1 millimeter. and only comes in black, runs on LTE, 4G, GSM, not compatible with Verizon, also has 3G, and the price on this is $199. So we are going to set this up. I don't have a SIM in there right now, but we'll get into that later. I'm gonna skip through this real quick and I'll be right back. All right, we are back, guys, and I have access here to the Teracube 2E, and it looks like your basic Android smartphone here. 6.1-inch screen. It's not FHD Plus or WQHD or any of the higher end panels, but for what it is, it's a 720p panel. It looks halfway decent. I'm not connected quite yet. Having some network issues here right now. As soon as I get those all squared away, we'll get connected. But right now I just wanted to kind of open this up and kind of show you through the interface and show you the phone itself. You know, it's Android 10, I believe. Let's see here. Let's see, Android 10. Yes, Android 10. And it seems to be running pretty smooth. We don't have anything logged in or anything really running. So once we get connected to the network, we'll be able to know more about that. For now, there's no bloatware on here. It has an FM radio, and like I said, cameras deny location. We never give the location. And there's something on the lens there. I wonder what that is. Yeah, let's get a cloth and wipe that off real quick. Clean this off real quick. All right, let's take a look up. There's still that black blob. All right, guys, we cleaned the lens off on this camera to see if that would help. And it looks like there's still some, I don't know if you guys can see that in the video right around there. It's actually moved, some sort of dirt or something on there. I've cleaned it with a lens cloth and doesn't seem to be able to get it out of there. So I'll have to contact PR on that one and see what's going on with that. Fingerprint sensor on the back, of course the camera module, USB-C charging, speaker on the bottom, and your volume button, power, and that's about it for this phone, guys. A headphone jack on the top. We'll have a full review on the Teracube 2E at some point on the website. I will be contacting Teracube to find out what's up with this camera module. Not sure if that's it's probably most likely just this one device problem, you know, or I'm missing a piece of dirt on here, which I don't think I am, but we'll look into it. Hey, if you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we will talk to you guys on the other side.